welcome back to my channel, and today we will move on to the next topic, that is your structure pointer. So before moving on to the structure pointer, I just want to tell you again what is pointer. Pointer is nothing, it's a normal variable, or you can call it as a special variable which stores the address of the another variable. So that is called pointer. Now suppose if you want to declare a pointer variable, how you can declare? First of all, you need to define the data type. So how you can define data type? Integer. Suppose I am taking integer and then star ptr. So this star ptr is a pointer which can store the address of the another variable. Now suppose I am going to declare another variable, that is your integer b. So the address of b can be stored by the star ptr, that is pointer variable can store the address. So let us be look how we can also use this pointer concept for the for addressing the structure variable. So just moving on to this one before. So let us we see how we can declare the pointer variable. So first of all, what I need to take, I just need to define here data type. So I am taking here the data type, like this is your integer and then star ptr. So this is the pointer variable I have taken. Similarly I can take a variable here. So b is a normal variable and ptr is a special pointer variable which can store the address of another variable which is b in my case. So this is the ptr which is storing the address of the another variable b. Now let us be move on to this one, structure pointer. As the name suggests, structure pointer. So question arises, can we also create the pointer which is pointing to the structure variable? Yes, we can create it. So like a pointer can point to a an integer, or a pointer can point to a character. Similarly, we can have a pointer pointing to a structure or structure variable. Then that type of pointers are called structure pointers. Now let us we see with the help of an example. So we have taken here the main function. So this is the main function here, and we have declared a structure. This is a struct book. So this is the user defined data type, and in this structure user defined data type, we are just going to take the three elements. The first element is name of the book, then author, then pages. Now how we declare the structure variable? Just we need to define here or declare the data type. So the data type is here struct book, and then we have declared here b1. So this is the b1 is the structure variable, and we are just going to declare here the default values for these elements. The first element is name, so we have taken here letter c, and the author name is yk, and this is the number of pages we have taken 120. Now how we declare the structure variable? First of all, the data type, like normal pointer variable, how we declare? First of all, we need the data type. So we have taken here the integer. So in this case, we are taking here the struct book. This is the data type. Then star ptr. So it is not necessary you can take another name regardless of this ptr. You can take your name also, star Ajay, star abc, star xyz. So it is not necessary to take the same ptr is there. So this is the struct book, the data type, then star ptr. So it becomes the structure pointer, but it is not pointing to the any structure variables unless and until we do not pass the address of the structure variable. So this is the structure variable we have declared b1. यहाँ पे हमने structure variable b1 declare किया था, तो इसका address जो है that we will pass into the pointer. So ptr equal to address of b1. Now this pointer is pointing to the structure variable b1, okay, which is also containing the elements name, author, and pages. So this is a structure pointer containing the address of the structure variable b1. Now with the help of this pointer, we can access the structure elements values. How we can do that? If we will take in case of a normal, how you can access the elements with the help of variables? You just use the dot operator, like b1 dot name, b1 dot author, b1 dot pages. So the first example, it is showing that printf, that is your percentage s, because these are of the character array. So we have taken here for the representing the string percentage s, then percentage d for the pages integer type, then comma b1 dot name, b1 dot author, and then b1 dot pages. So this is the first one. This is the first way by which we can define the values. We can display the values of the structure elements. Now, if you want to be print these values of the name, let us see YK and 120 with the help of a pointer. So how we can do that? We just used to use this special operator, and that is called member access operator. In case of a pointer, we must have to use this arrow operator. You can call it as a arrow operator or member access operator. So this is the second way for printing the elements value by using your pointer. So this is the printf %s, then %d, then ptr, which is containing the address of the structure variable b1, and this is the arrow access operator, or you can call it the member access operator, and with the help of this we are printing the values of the name, author and pages. So this is an example of the structure pointer, how we can declare the structure pointer, how we can use this structure variables, the structure pointers. So let us see with the help of an example, real-time example in case of a VS Code. So move to this VS Code and go to file and then click on to the new file. So we have taken here the structure pointer. So this is a struct underscore pointer dot c. It will ask you to store at some location. So I have given the store location create new, and then first of all what we need the header file stdio.h. then we can declare here the main function. So integer main. In this main function, what we need to do, we just need to create the structure here. So first of all, we are just going to create the struct keyword, and then book. In this book, we need to take the 3 elements. So यहाँ पे हम 3 elements ले रहे हैं, name, and this is then character, author. Then we are just going to take integer pages. Struct book, then this is b1 equal to, we are giving here, let us see, then the second author name Ajay Vireja. Then we can take here the number of pages. So suppose this is number of pages we have taken. This is struct. So this is the first way by which we can print the element values. So we are assigning the values here. So with the help of printf, we can directly print. But before printing these values, just I am going to take here the structure pointer. How we declare the structure pointer? First of all, data type. So this is your struct book is the data type. Then we are going to declare pointer. This is ptr. Now ptr can contain the address. So we are just going to assign the address of b1. तो यहाँ पे हमने address assign कर दिया. Now this is the ptr, which is the structure pointer. This is a structure pointer which is containing the address of the b1 structure variable address. With the help of printf, we can print the values. This is /n %s. Then we can use /t %s. Then /t %d. Then comma. In a normal way, how we can print the values, element values, with the help of dot operator. So this is b1 dot name, then comma b1 dot author, then b1 dot pages. Similarly, if you want to print the same values using the pointer, again take here /n %s, then /t %s, then /t %d. Then with the help of pointer, we must have to use this arrow operator. This is arrow operator. This is the name, comma ptr, then this is author. Similarly ptr, and then this is your pages. Now save this program. Before saving this, we must have to return 0. So integer type we are returning because we have taken the return type of the main is integer. Now save it and then execute our program. So you can see that the program has been compiled successfully. My program compiled successfully हो गया. Now it will show you the output. So you can see that the first it is printing the elements value with the help of dot operator. Let us see. Then Ajay Dureja, then 1 2 3. Similarly, it is going to be print the elements value with the help of a structure pointer. So this is let us see, then Ajay Dureja, then 1 2 3. So now we have covered this topic. Now come back to our next topic. This is also an important topic. Uh, Before moving on to this topic, just I want to tell you, in above example, in the second printf, we have used the special operator. Which is a special operator we have, that is called arrow operator, to access the elements of the structure using the pointer. Now this is another important topic. We can also pass the address of the structure variable to a function. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल का एड्रेस जो है वो हम पास कर सकते हैं किसके अंदर, फंक्शंस के अंदर. हाउ वी कैन पास दैट, लेट अस बी सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. So this is the passing address of the structure variable example. So first of all, we have taken here the again the struct book. Then we have defined this book name, then author, then pages. We have taken the main function. In this main function, we have declared a variable b1 of the type struct book. Then we have defined the default values. Let us see yk and the 256. And we are just going to call the function. Display function we are just going to call and passing the address of b1. So we are passing the address of this variable b1. तो यहाँ पे हम एड्रेस भी पास कर सकते हैं. बट एज यू नो, who contain the address of the another variable that is contained by the pointer. So when we are going to define this function void display, who will contain this address of b1, we must have to declare here the structure pointer. So this is a struct book. यहाँ पे हमने struct book क्या ले लिया, एक data type ले ली, and then we have defined here the pointer variable star b. This pointer variable can contain the address of the variable b1, and with the help of this pointer we can display the values. So another concept is important concept is here, that can we pass the address of the structure variable into the function? Yes, we can pass the address of the structure variable, but who will contain that structure variable address? That will be contained by the structure pointer. We must have to declare here the structure pointer. Let us see this example in the VS Code. So go back to this one, then click on the file and then new file. Just we need to declare here the another file name. So this is we are taking here function underscore struct underscore pointer dot c. Create file, and then first of all we are just going to declare here the header file stdio.h. Now we are going to declare here the struct book. अब जो हम यहाँ पे हम स्ट्रक्चर जो डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं उसको हम मेन फंक्शन से बाहर कर रहे हैं. क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब हम फंक्शन के अंदर जाएंगे, लेट अस बी सी कम बैक टू दिस वन. तो जब अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर को विद इन अ मेन फंक्शन डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो वो एक्सेसिबल जो उसका हम वेरिएबल जो था, यानी कि जो हम एक्सेस कर पाते मेन फंक्शन बाहर नहीं, वी कैन नॉट एक्सेस दैट. बट इफ यू वांट टू एक्सेस, इफ यू वांट टू डिक्लेयर द पॉइंटर वेरिएबल, स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर वेरिएबल, यू मस्ट हैव टू डिक्लेयर इट बिफोर द मेन, ताकि क्या बन जाए, ये ग्लोबल स्ट्रक्चर बन जाए. तो इट इज़ ए ग्लोबल स्ट्रक्चर. तो ये ग्लोबल स्ट्रक्चर इसलिए बनाया है ताकि आप मेन फंक्शन के बाहर इसको भी क्या कर पाओ, एक्सेस कर पाओ. अब एक्सेस करने के लिए क्यों जरूरत पड़ी? क्योंकि जब हम डिस्प्ले फंक्शन के अंदर जहाँ हम स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर को डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू नोन होनी चाहिए. तो अब वो यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रक्ट बुक है ये डेटा टाइप नोन होना चाहिए टू द डिस्प्ले. तो इसलिए हमने इसको क्या किया, आउटसाइड द मेन डिफाइन किया. तो यहाँ पे भी हम ये कर रहे हैं. हम पहले क्या कर रहे हैं, मेन फंक्शन से पहले ही हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर डिक्लेयरिंग हियर द स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस इज योर author, then we have taken 25, then integer, then pages, then main function void main. In this main function we are going to declare here struct book b1 equal to learn programming language. Then we are giving here the author name, so this is author. Then we are declaring here 2 3 4, this is the number of pages in the book. Then in this main function we are just going to call the function display and passing the address of the variable. Now we need to define the function, so this is your void and this is your display. In this display we must have to create here the structure pointers, struct book, then star, this is we are taking the b. In the display we are just going to print these element values printf with the help of pointer slash n, then percentage s, then slash t, percentage s, slash t, percentage d, then comma. We have taken the pointer name b, so this is the b, and this is arrow operator to access the elements within the structure pointer. Name, comma, b, then author, then again we are going to take number of pages, save it and then execute it. So program has been compiled successfully, and the output you can see. So this is the output window. This is programming language, the book name, then author name, and then this is your number of pages. So I hope so आपको ये बहुत अच्छे से प्रोग्राम समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर फिर भी नहीं आया तो you can ask the questions onto my channel. I will definitely respond. So today we have covered the 2 topics. हमने 2 टॉपिक कवर किए जो कि मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं. एक तो हमने यही टॉपिक कवर किया है, दैट इज स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर, कि हम स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर को कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. तो आपको स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर पहले पता होना चाहिए, हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट द स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर. सो वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंटर, देन हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट इट एंड हाउ इट कैन स्टोर द एड्रेस ऑफ द अनदर स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल्स, कैसे वो एड्रेस ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर को स्टोर कर सकता है. देन वी हैव आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द एरो ऑपरेटर विच इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. Then we have also discussed about the important topic, that is your can we pass the address of the structure variable to function. Yes, we can pass the address of the structure variable to a function, but how we can pass? By this way we can pass. First of all, you need to create the global structure, making it global, then you can pass the structure variable to the function, and this address of the b1 can contain only by the structure pointer, and with the help of arrow operator you can access the structure elements. So it's enough for today, and in the next video we will discuss further the most important topic, and then topic is called self-referential structure, and then we will also discuss about the self-referential structure with a single link, and then we will also discuss about the self-referential structure with the multiple links. Generally self-referential structures होते क्या हैं, you can call it as a link list. So this is an important topic जो data structure point of view से बहुत ही important topic है कि लिंक लिस्ट आप कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर नोड. एक नोड को कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हो. आई होप सो यू लाइक माई वीडियो. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इफ यू रियली लाइक माई वीडियोज, प्लीज शेयर टू द अदर्स और आल्सो कमेंट्स. थैंक यू.